Hey everybody, this is Iron Dog 63. This is the Antique Tractor Club in Adrian. You're going to see Zimmer's homemade root beer. This guy's got the best root beer ever. It's all made from scratch.
Hey guys.
There you go. He makes it from an old family secret recipe. I asked him for it and he said he'd have to kill me first.
That's a fact.
That's a fact. This actually used to be his grandpa's stand.
Great-grandpa.
His great-grandpa. Hand built.
Ah, it is the oldest rolling root beer stand in the country today.
There it is.
Smile pretty, Simmer.
Ah.
Smile, Brenda. I'm coming to you next.
Oh, hell no.
Hey, breakfast. Got anything cooking yet?
No.
Okay.
Not getting here.
Anyways, you buy a cup from him for $5 and he'll fill it for $1 with root beer and ice cream.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Or root beer slushy.
Or root beer slushy.
Oh yeah.
And you can keep bringing it back and back and back. It don't matter.
Oh yeah.
No.
Yes.
It is nice, man. I like it. I don't drink too many carbonated drinks, but I do drink the root beer slushy.
See you guys.
Have a good one. Thanks, man.
Yeah. See you guys.
Good trip there. Okay, everybody. This is Brenda Rodriguez. She is the owner or co-owner. The owner of the Mexican Grill. Nice little food trailer. She serves everything: tacos, enchiladas, you name it, burritos. She'll make it. This is her first year actually having the trailer. That's pretty nice. And that's her daughter. Say hi. So, now here we got an exhibitor with a bunch of chainsaws. Get back here. I want you near those. Pretty neat. A lot of these they're all antique. I ain't seen hardly any of these before. I did have one before that had a 4-foot blade on it with a Wisconsin engine on it. That one's pretty cool right there. I think that's actually air driven. This is a big international harvester event here today, or this weekend. I like that tractor right there. Pretty cool. Got a Super H, an H.
A big one.
Yeah, a big one. An F12.
Oh, the big one.
Steam engine right there.
I want to go.
Obviously, I'm not going to show you all the tractors, but there's plenty. Another H.
That H is sliding.
Yeah.
So we can run mine. So
See how big this. There's a lot of them that aren't here right now. Friday, Thursday, and Friday, there was twice as many as there is here right now. Bunch of International Cub Cadets. I had a 1969, I believe it was, years ago. There's more. International Harvester satellite engine. Used to run, baler or anything. Yeah, not baler, but a thresher or whatever they could use with it for. Pumps. There are more tractors. Here's the International Chapter 11. That's their club. That's why the event's so big. Come on in here. Chapter 11. Nice set of tools. Some International Harvester memorabilia. International Scout. That's pretty cool. International Harvester freezer. My dad used to have one of them years ago.
Trust me, I'm not taking much of it. I'll take all this stuff, but I'm all maybe.
How are you looking at it?
County supervisor.
Okay. You guys just from all over.
Yep.
Do you have any kind of like a meetings or anything?
We have like 4 meetings a year.
Yeah.
So you'll have, we'll start off with like a winter convention, which is the second Saturday of
Anyways, right there is the club. That's their little thing that they take the kids around in. They go all over the park with it. That's pretty cool. Here's one of the vendors here. They just, it's basically yard sale stuff, I guess. But you can set up here. I don't know what it is, the fee is for setting up. But for us, it's $125. But it's all sorts of stuff. A menagerie of stuff. Hi, how are you?
How you like my
Good,
how you like
good.
my layoff? He says, I'm not on layoff.
Mind being on YouTube?
He goes, no, I still have to work.
Mind being on YouTube?
Oh, I don't care.
You can say hi to everybody. I got 2,000 channel followers. So.
He's the hot dog man.
Yeah, I'm the hot dog man. So, yeah. You guys are from Adrian, aren't you? Yeah.
Stock up, you know, so when it comes.
Doing any good on sales?
Not today.
Well, yeah.
Yesterday we didn't do too bad.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got a little rain spell here, and then it just died right out.
Yeah. Yeah.